In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task color in ClickUp. By the way, in ClickUp, the color you see on tasks is driven by the status color. So what we're really doing is updating the color of the status those tasks use. This is great for creating a visual language across your workspace. Think green for done, yellow for in progress, and so on. Start by heading to your workspace overview. From the overview screen, navigate into the team space where your work lives. This makes sure you're adjusting colors in the right place, since statuses and their colors are scoped to specific spaces or projects. Next, open the project you want to work in. Once you're in the project, open a task so you can see how its status appears. Then select the task by clicking the small checkbox next to it. Highlighting the task makes it easier to access the relevant settings and confirm you're changing the right status. Now look for the option labeled Edit Statuses. This is where you manage the set of statuses used in this project, including their names, order, and colors. If your project is currently using the default statuses shared across the workspace, choose Use Custom Statuses. This switches the project to its own status set so you can tailor colors without affecting other teams or spaces. Find the specific status you want to recolor. Maybe it's in progress, review, or blocked, and click directly on that status. Then choose Change Color. A color picker will open, letting you select from the palette or fine-tune a shade. Pick a color that's easy to recognize and consistent with any conventions your team uses. For accessibility and quick scanning, aim for strong contrast against your background and keep similar states distinct from each other. After you've chosen the color, click Apply Changes to save it. The update takes effect immediately across the project. So anywhere that status appears in List View, Board View, Calendar, and Task Flyouts, you'll see the new color. If multiple statuses need adjustments, repeat the same process for each one to build a clear, consistent color system. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option to use custom statuses or edit them, you may need higher permissions, or your workspace may enforce shared statuses. Check with your admin. Also, remember that changing a status color affects every task using that status in this project, which is usually what you want for consistency. That's it. You've changed the task color by updating the status color in ClickUp, making your boards and lists easier to scan at a glance.